Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right here you're looking at one of our brand new Undercounter refrigerators. Okay, this is going to be our own company brand, Cooler Depot, all stainless steel unit. Now I'm going to go ahead and start off by giving you the overall measurements, then we'll show you the inside and more information. So the length you're looking at 36 inches, 3 feet. For the depth, you're going to be looking at a total of 29.5 inches. And the overall height, you're looking at about 36 inches high. The unit does have casters on the bottom already installed, okay, so you can easily move it around. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up the doors. There are going to be automatic closing doors, okay? We got those automatic closing doors. We got a shelf, 2 shelves, one on each side provided for this unit. Also, you will be provided with all the information instruction manual regarding this unit. On the side of the unit, you can locate circuit diagram specs on this refrigerator. Okay, so all the information you can locate on that sticker inside of this unit. Inside measurements, front to back, you're looking at a total of 17.5. Overall height from the bottom to the beginning of the shelf, you're looking at 14. And the overall 24 from the bottom to the very top. Overall length on the inside, you're looking at 33 inches. So that's going to be the inside measurements for this Undercounter refrigerator. If you follow me over to the back, we can locate our plug, standard US plug, okay, which is located on the back. Also on the back, your Dixel temperature control system, okay, so this is where you can adjust the temperature for this unit, and it'll also display your temperature once the unit is on. Okay, that's going to be controller and your plug. Okay, a very simple unit, all stainless steel. As we mentioned, Undercounter refrigerator, 36 inch. If you're interested in one of these units, go on the website CoolerDepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact size. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.